Have you ever stepped out to enjoy a peaceful evening in your garden, only to be greeted by that familiar, annoying buzz of mosquitoes? It's one of nature's small but mighty nuisances, turning calm evenings into a battle of swats and bites. But what if your garden itself could keep them away? Imagine sitting on your porch, sipping tea, surrounded by flowers and herbs that send mosquitoes fleeing on their own. Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Golden Year's Lifestyle Hub, where we celebrate gentle living, joyful gardening, and the beauty of every season. I'm so glad you're here today, because we're about to explore something truly helpful. 10 wonderful plants that naturally repel mosquitoes and make your yard a peaceful, bite-free retreat. Whether you live in the sunny South, the breezy coasts, or the mild Midwest, there's something here for every garden and every gardener. So, grab your sun hat, take a deep breath, and let's stroll through the garden together. If you love simple, natural gardening tips that make life a little easier and your outdoor space a little lovelier, go ahead and click that subscribe button and join our growing community of garden lovers who believe that nature always takes care of us when we care for it too. Number 1. Geranium. There's something timeless about geraniums. Their cheerful blooms, their soft scent, and the way they brighten any porch or garden bed. But beyond their beauty, these flowers hold a quiet secret. Mosquitoes can't stand them, especially the lemon-scented varieties, which release a fragrance that gently perfumes the air while keeping those tiny pests at bay. For seniors who love color and charm, geraniums are the perfect blend of beauty and purpose. They thrive wonderfully in pots, hanging baskets, or along sunny borders, adding a joyful burst of red, pink, or white to any corner. The best part? They're easy to care for, just a bit of sunlight, moderate watering, and a light trim to keep new blooms coming. Imagine relaxing on your patio, surrounded by soft petals and a sweet scent that keeps mosquitoes far away. With geraniums, your garden doesn't just look lovely. It becomes your peaceful, protected haven. Number 2. Lemongrass. Tall, graceful, and filled with a refreshing citrus scent, lemongrass is one of nature's strongest natural mosquito repellents. Its clean aroma carries citronella oil, the same ingredient used in candles and sprays, but far more beautiful when grown right in your own garden. In warm U.S. climates, especially in the south and coastal regions, lemongrass thrives with very little fuss. Its slender green blades sway gently in the breeze, adding both movement and fragrance to your outdoor space. For senior gardeners, lemongrass is a joy to grow. It loves sunlight, appreciates well-drained soil, and rewards you with beauty and protection all season long. Planted in borders, large pots, or near sitting areas, it not only keeps mosquitoes away, but also gives your garden a fresh, tropical feeling. A little trim now and then is all it needs, and soon, you'll have your own natural barrier against unwanted guests, all while enjoying the soothing scent that whispers through the summer air. Number 3. Citronella grass. Known as the classic mosquito fighter, citronella grass has earned its reputation for good reason. Its strong lemony fragrance confuses mosquitoes and keeps them at a distance, making it a must-have for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. The tall, arching blades give your garden a lush, tropical look, while naturally protecting your space from those evening invaders. In warm U.S. regions, especially places like Florida, Texas, or the Carolinas, citronella grass grows beautifully under the sun's gentle warmth. For senior gardeners, it's an easy companion plant that asks for little more than sunshine and occasional watering. You can grow it in large pots near patios, walkways, or seating areas to create a natural barrier that smells refreshing and feels serene. As the breeze passes through its leaves, you'll notice the air feels cleaner, calmer, and blissfully free of mosquitoes. A small gift from nature that makes your evenings outdoors that much sweeter. Number 4. Rosemary. Rosemary is more than just a fragrant kitchen herb. It's a sturdy, evergreen protector that mosquitoes can't stand. Its woody stems and pine-like scent create an invisible shield around patios and garden paths, keeping the air fresh and pest-free. In warm, sunny regions of the U.S., rosemary thrives almost effortlessly, filling your garden with beauty and usefulness all year long. Its silvery green leaves glisten under the sun, adding a touch of calm elegance wherever it grows. For seniors who enjoy both gardening and cooking, rosemary offers the best of both worlds. You can snip a few sprigs for your favorite dishes while letting the rest stand guard against mosquitoes. It grows well in pots or raised beds, and once established, it needs very little care. Just imagine sitting outside in the evening, the scent of rosemary drifting through the air, peaceful, aromatic, and completely mosquito-free. Number 5. Peppermint. Fresh, cooling, and full of life, peppermint is a delightful addition to any garden and a natural mosquito repellent that truly works. Its crisp scent, rich with menthol, masks the smells that attract mosquitoes, sending them in search of another place to land. The lush green leaves spread quickly, creating a soft, fragrant carpet that feels as refreshing as it looks. Whether you're in the cooler northern states or warmer southern ones, peppermint grows easily and adapts beautifully to most climates. For seniors who enjoy simple, sensory gardening, peppermint is a joy. It thrives in pots or garden beds and needs only a little water and sunlight to flourish. A gentle touch on its leaves releases that cool, minty aroma, perfect for brightening your mood and clearing the air. And as a bonus, peppermint can be used in teas, fresh drinks, and even homemade insect sprays. It's a plant that not only refreshes your space, but fills it with calm, vibrant energy. Number 6. Basil. Basil isn't just for the kitchen. It's a gentle guardian for your garden too. Its strong, sweet aroma naturally keeps mosquitoes away, creating a safe, fragrant circle around your outdoor space. The glossy green leaves soak up the sun, giving off a scent that's both uplifting and protective. In warm U.S. climates, basil flourishes beautifully from late spring through summer, making it a perfect choice for patio planters, raised beds, or sunny windowsills. For senior gardeners, basil is wonderfully easy to care for. A bit of water, plenty of sunlight, and the occasional pinch of new leaves are all it needs to stay lush and healthy. Place it near seating areas or doorways, and it will reward you with both beauty and usefulness, fresh herbs for your meals and fewer mosquitoes in the evening air. It's one of nature's simplest gifts, a plant that feeds the body, pleases the senses, and quietly keeps your space peaceful. Number 7. Catnip. Catnip may be a treat for cats, but for mosquitoes, it's pure trouble. This humble green plant contains a natural oil called nepentolactone, which repels mosquitoes even more effectively than some chemical sprays. Its soft, heart-shaped leaves and gentle scent bring a touch of calm to any garden corner while quietly guarding your space from unwanted bites. Catnip grows easily across many U.S. regions and thrives in both garden beds and containers, making it perfect for gardeners who enjoy low-maintenance plants. For seniors, catnip offers simplicity and satisfaction. It doesn't demand much attention, just sunlight, a little water, and a trim now and then to keep it neat. Plant it near sitting areas, doorways, or patios, and let it do its work. The best part? Its soft green leaves sway lightly in the breeze, adding a sense of movement and serenity to your space. Catnip may look gentle, but it's a quiet hero in keeping mosquitoes at bay. Number 8. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a soothing herb with a gentle lemony fragrance that both calms the senses and drives mosquitoes away. Its soft green leaves release a fresh, citrus scent whenever brushed, creating an invisible shield that keeps the air around you peaceful and bite-free. A member of the mint family, lemon balm is hardy, resilient, and perfect for cooler or moderate U.S. climates. It fills garden corners with lush greenery and a sweet aroma that feels like sunshine in plant form. For seniors who love easy, rewarding gardening, lemon balm is a joy to grow. It thrives in pots, raised beds, or along walkways, asking for little more than partial sunlight and regular watering. Because it spreads quickly, it's best to keep it in containers where you can enjoy its beauty without it taking over. Imagine sipping tea on your porch as a soft breeze carries the scent of lemon balm, pure, refreshing, and naturally keeping mosquitoes far away. Number 9. Marigold. Bright, cheerful, and full of sunshine, marigolds are more than just pretty faces in the garden. They're natural mosquito repellents that work wonders. Their vibrant orange and yellow blooms release a distinct scent that mosquitoes simply can't stand. Planted along borders, near doorways, or in pots around your sitting area, they form a colorful shield that keeps your space lively and protected. In warm or temperate U.S. climates, marigolds bloom easily all summer long, lighting up your yard with effortless beauty. For senior gardeners, marigolds are among the easiest flowers to grow. They love full sunlight, need only occasionally watering, and reward you with constant color and fragrance. Their low height makes them perfect for container gardening or raised beds where you can admire them up close. With marigolds in your garden, you're not just adding a pop of color. You're creating a joyful, mosquito-free zone where you can relax, breathe, and enjoy the golden glow of nature's protection. Number 10. Lavender. Lavender is the picture of calm and beauty, with its soft purple blooms and soothing fragrance that fills the air with peace. But while we find its scent relaxing, mosquitoes can't bear it. The natural oils in lavender act as a strong repellent, keeping bugs away while turning your garden into a gentle sea of color and comfort. It thrives in sunny, dry conditions, perfect for many U.S. regions, especially the West and Southwest, and adds a touch of elegance wherever it grows. For seniors, lavender is both simple and rewarding to care for. It loves sunlight, doesn't need much water, and blooms beautifully year after year. Plant it along walkways, near patios, or in pots by your favorite resting spot, and let its fragrance drift through the air like a soft, invisible curtain of calm. With lavender in your garden, you'll have more than beauty. You'll have peace, comfort, and a natural barrier against mosquitoes, all wrapped in purple grace. Let's take a peaceful stroll back through our mosquito-repelling garden, from number 10, lavender, to number 9, marigold, number 8, lemon balm, number 7, catnip, number 6, basil, number 5, peppermint, number 4, rosemary, number 3, citronella grass, number 2, lemongrass, and our shining star, number 1, geranium. Each of these plants offers its own fragrance, beauty, and gentle power to keep mosquitoes away, turning your outdoor space into a haven of calm, color, and comfort. So, as you step into your garden each day, know that nature has already given you everything you need for peace and protection. A few simple plants, a bit of sunshine, and a caring touch are all it takes to create a space where you can rest, breathe, and enjoy every golden moment. If you found today's garden journey inspiring, take a moment to subscribe, give this video a kind thumbs up, and share it with a friend who loves the quiet magic of nature. Until next time, may your garden be green, your evenings gentle, and your heart full of joy.